Welcome back, everybody. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an amazing kids' story video 100% for free using Canva and a few AI tools. First, I'll generate a story script using ChatGPT, and then I'll eventually bring it all together in Canva in just 5 easy steps, and all at no cost. Let's get started. Alright, I'm going to show you a new feature that will help you so much whenever you're trying to create any kinds of videos. If you want to record something for free, this is definitely a good way to do it. Now I'm in ChatGPT using a free version. First, I need a story, so I'll give it an idea and see what it gives me back. This looks pretty good. So the part I'm really interested in is only the story. So, for now, I'm going to copy it and paste it back in here after asking ChatGPT to repeat it back to me. I'll show you why in just a second. I don't need all this extra information. Now it's just repeated only the story part. All right. So here's a little girl telling her friend the story all about her dad's most dangerous hike of all time. If you look down here at the bottom, you can see many different buttons. But what I really want to focus on is this one, the Read Aloud button. If you click on that, you can have ChatGPT actually read the story back to you. Yes, ChatGPT can speak even in free accounts right now. And here's the fun part. That's exactly what I want it to do. I'll show you how to set it up first. Inside my account, I'll go to Settings, then go to Speech. Here is where you'll see the different voices. And if you wanted to hear what they sound like, you just hit click play. Let's listen to a few.
Hey there! I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running, so if there's anything you'd like...
And they all sound really good. I'll choose this one, and I'll choose English. Now we're all set up. But before we let ChatGPT read the text, I've got to have some way to record it, because this does not record the output. To solve this problem, I'll use FlexClip's online free screen recorder, which is really good. Sign up for a free account first. Now I'm going to scroll down here. You can record up to 60 minutes at a time, and you can do editing and everything if you need to, but for now, I just want it to record. So I'll go back up here and click Start Recording, then choose one of these. I'll choose this for now, and also System Audio. Then I'll choose the page I'll be working with. Click on that.
Lily, an imaginative 8-year-old, invites her best friend, Mia, over to share her dad's legendary hiking adventure. She starts the story dramatically. It was the most dangerous hike of all time. Her dad had told her the story countless times, but in Lily's retelling, it takes on a life of its own.
Okay, so there's her story. Now we'll download it. If we wanted to edit it, we could. There is an editor in here, but for now I'm just going to click on Export. I'll keep it as is, and it will have a watermark, which doesn't really matter since I'm just going to be using the recording anyway. So, export it. Now it's time to go to the next step. So now that I have a recording and it's a MP4 file, I need to convert it to MP3. I'll go to Cloud Convert. This is also free. You can see I'm not even signed in. And when it's done, it will show us this. So I'll download it. Now I'm ready to go to the next step. Now it's time to put it all together. I'm in Canva. I'll go to YouTube Video, click on it, and open a new page. Next, I'll go to my Uploads area and get my hiking story. I'll put my playhead here, then click to add it. I'll also add some new pages, because I'll need them soon. I'm not going to make the whole story in this lesson, because that would be too long. But I will make a few scenes to show you the overall process. So, the first thing I'm going to do is put this playhead here. This is all silent. So, I'll right-click on it, choose Split Audio, and then I'm going to delete that part. I'll go back to ChatGPT to refresh my memory about what happens first. Lily is talking about her dad's hiking adventure. Now, I'm going to look for a playground background in Canva. So, I'll go to Elements and look in Graphics. Notice this is a paid picture. You could also choose a free one if you wanted to. Here's a tip. If you need only free images, go up here to these 3 little lines, click on that, and go down to free, and click that. Then now, everything you see will be free options. Easy peasy. I need to add a little girl. I like this little girl here, and she's in all different poses. I'll save a few for later to make it easier. I'll add a few of these to this blank page, and just add them in as I need them. So that's the one little girl. Now I need her friend. And I'll do the same thing. All right. Time to make the scene where Lily is telling her little friend about her dad's adventure. I'll flip it and put it here. Let's add her friend, just like that. This is my audio track. I'm going to take this and I'm going to break it up to match the scenes. I'll right-click to split the audio. Now it's time to add another playground scene. Actually, I'll use the same one to keep it consistent, but I'll change it to make it look a little different. In between the pages, I'll add a dissolve. I'll take this little girl and add an animation. I'll choose a wiggle and turn it way down. On this page, add this little girl on the hopscotch board. I'll animate her. Click on the bee, hold down the mouse button, then drag her like that. Speed it up a little, then click Done. I'll also animate the other girl. I'll choose Wiggle, since she's just so excited. Okay, so there you go. Now you have seen the process. Just keep going until you finish your story. I'm not going to make the whole story here, but I did want to show you the process. Once you're done, go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, then click Download. Then Canva will download the video to your computer, and you can upload it to anywhere you want. So that's the process of creating a story completely for free. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
Lily, an imaginative 8-year-old, invites her best friend, Mia, over to share her dad's legendary hiking adventure. She starts the story dramatically. It was the most dangerous hike of all time. Her dad had told her the story countless times, but in Lily's retelling, it takes on a life of its own. She adds fantastical twists, turning the simple hike into an epic tale of bravery. Her dad's hike wasn't just a walk up a mountain, it was a quest to find a secret waterfall that no one else had ever seen.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.